Hello. Today let's introduce the hotbar soldering machine MDR 2000. You can see this is we call controller. This is head. This is thermal, or we call heater tip. This is thermocouple. Voltage is 220. Let's try a working circle first. Use the foot pedal. This with air blow to let it cooling fast. Here is the real temperature curve in page 2. Okay, let's see how to adjust the parameter. This is a reset. Up and down, left and right, enter. And this. Okay. This is ready. When ready light, we cannot change the parameter. This is ready cursor. Okay. We have to change the status first. Use this function, SH schedule. Okay, when it goes to SH schedule status, we can go inside the area. This area we call parameter area. This means group. Group means with different product, we use different group parameter. Okay. This is a page. We have 0, 1, 2, 3 pages. 0 page, it's the temperature we set. Like this, we have we can set 2 temperature here. 250 preheat and heating, soldering 350. After heating, this temperature is like this. This is the time. This is the time for this temperature, and this is the time for this temperature. After this time, it cooling at the. After end of this time, start air blow and cooling. After cooling this temperature, the weld head will goes up. This temperature, this time is ms. With this line is unit is second. This 2 is second. This 3 is ms. This time means how much time it will go after we press the foot pedal. Okay. Mainly we use is the temperature and this time. Let's say page 2. Page 2 is limit. This means T1H, the upper limit, highest, we call higher limit, lower limit. T2, temperature 2, higher limit, lower limit. This is temperature 3, higher limit, okay, lower limit. It's related here, 1, 2, 3, okay. We can see now, the limit is higher limit is 600, and the lower limit is 20. But this is real temperature. We detected real temperature. It's in this range, so it shows nothing, normal. If it is not in this range, it will alarm. Later we can try one. Okay. Sometimes, like the thermocouple is broken, it will show like this error. Okay, and this is a game 1, game 2. Game 1 is for temperature 1, for this time, from room temperature to we set the heating speed. Game we can understand is heating speed. Okay, game 2 is from this temperature to this temperature. Different thermal. This is thermal. Like this thermal we make is 32 millimeter. Different thermal. Some thermal we make only 5 like this. Only 5 millimeter small. If smaller thermal, we need a smaller game. Here we need to set smaller, or it will heating too fast. But if you use big thermal, we need to set higher. If we set low, like now, we can try. If we set lower, the temperature will heating very slow, or alarm. We can see now. Okay, just now we can see here is this is the heating temperature absolute time. Okay, now it maybe cannot temperature sensor for us. That means we can see here it up, the temperature goes up very slow. It cannot heating means. Okay, so this time we need to set the game bigger. Okay, we repeat the operation first, and no matter the cursor is where, we press reset, it will go to ready. We press this one to change the status to schedule. Okay, and then to change it. Like now, if we set 07, maybe still not enough. Okay, like this thermal we use. We think this is okay. This is just okay. Now we can see this is the game principle. Okay, like now if we set the lower limit to see if it's not in the range. Here is heating. It shows F3, force 3, temperature low. it shows temperature low. That means we set the limit too high. Okay, we just set it back. After set, we need confirm. Each value we need confirm once. Okay, it's super easy. Super easy. You can see this is reset detected, set detected. This is room temperature. Okay. If group 1, we can see the group 1, what's the game? The game in 1.2. Maybe still not enough for this server mode. Okay, but now we use 0 group. If we change group, we need to confirm. If we after confirm 0 group, when we powered off, powered on, it will keep this group. If we change to other group, like change it to 1, and after use this, if we did not confirm, when we powered off and powered on, it will goes back to 0. Only remember which group we confirmed. Okay. Now let's talk about the head. This is a standard configuration, standard with a XY platform. This is for Y. This is YX form. When we turn this, it will goes. It's a right direction. This is for X direction. Okay. After okay, we lock here. We lock at this one. Okay. And here is for we handle for move the product. Sorry, we have not the samples. If we have sample, we can show. Okay. And here. From this side, here is the block, the limit, the block. You see, here is the block. Okay. Also can adjust. The assembler servo mode, we need to be careful. We need to be careful. Can we see the servo mode? The servo mode is like this. Okay. This is servo mode. It is the current from this side, from front to go in at the tip and goes back to this one. Okay. In the middle, we need to be careful. Be careful. The gap. This plate should not touch the screw. should not touch the screw. Okay. Also this screw should not be too long. To touch this side of the thermode. This you need to be careful. Because the thermode is insulated here. You can see here is insulated. Also the holder, the thermode holder is also insulated by the wood. Okay, here by the wood. We need to take care. Be careful. Even here. See? We see this gap. The gap is very small. We need to take care. Be careful. Okay. Assembly the thermode is here. First is disassemble these screws and get this off. Get this plate off, and then get these three off. Can we see? And then we get this off. Get these three off. Okay, here I did not. Okay, can I see? Okay, when our assembly line is the same, just do it. When our assembly line here, we just keep it not tight, not too tight. Here also not too tight, just hold it. Okay. Here we can release it because we need to keep the the flatness. When we adjust the flatness, we need to normally we need to here is a thermocouple. This is thinner, this is wider, so we can see sometimes we need to get the head come down, because here we did not put the fixture, so the thermal did not hit the plate. If we put the fixture here, then it can touch. We can adjust the flatness. And then we lock back the screws. Sometimes we need to check after lock. We better check it. We have to check the gap, okay, whether it is okay. You see the gap is working, so we try to lock back. Okay, we can try again. Just now we can see here as we plugged the thermocouple, it turned force. Okay, now we try again to see. Okay, this is change the thermal. Here are other functions. Here we see this one. You see this one. This one is for manual. We press this red button. Red manual come down. This is manual blow air. This is a limit, position limit. This is position limit. Is a cylinder. When the cylinder come back like this, it can only come down a bit. Come down a bit. And this one, this is for pressure. For pressure. The spring pressure. I can show you the inside structure to understand more. The structure is also inside the structure is like this. The cylinder come down. It brings this tube come down, and this thermal is applied by this spring inside. Okay. Also, this rod can be adjusted. This rod, if our fixture is very high, here the height may be 30 millimeter or more. If it's not enough, we can adjust this structure higher to make it higher. The rod can be adjusted here. It is adjusted here. Okay. We loosen these two screws. Here we see. These two screws can make the structure up and down. And here also, and it's the bottom also. It's the bottom side here. There are two screws. Wedge. It's a wedge locking the screw, the rod. Here is also. Okay. But be careful. Be careful when the rod, if we want to adjust the rod higher to make this one lower, take care the distance. Here the distance. This distance enough. Or this one hits the rod. If it hits the rod, then it's not so good. Okay, I think I have introduced every detail. Like this. This is for the cylinder speed. This one when turn like this, it will be faster. You see, faster. Okay. Normally not so fast. This one is backside faster or lower. Okay. This is depending on our habit. The screen is protection mode. Protection mode. We press anyone. It goes back. Okay, we try one again. Okay, let me assemble that back. Okay, thank you.